Yes, good morning, sixth class. Hope you all are well. So, today we are going to move towards our next chapter, that is chapter number 3, sets. So, what is a set? So, read here first introduction on the page number 50. In our day to day life, we often deal with the group or collection of ऑब्जेक्ट्स किसी भी ग्रुप और कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स के साथ हम डील करते हैं वी यूज वर्ड कलेक्शन फॉर एनी ग्रुप ऑफ प्लेइंग कार्ड्स कलेक्शन ऑफ क्रिकेट प्लेयर्स इनके ग्रुप के लिए हम क्या वर्ड यूज करते हैं कलेक्शन ऑल्सो सेट इज रिलेटेड टू द कलेक्शन ऑफ एनी थिंग एनी ऑब्जेक्ट लाइक दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ए सेट वट इज अ सेट when it is called a set is a well defined collection of डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स थिंग्स और सिंबल्स किसी भी सिंबल्स की या चीज ऑब्जेक्ट्स की और थिंग्स की कलेक्शन को हम क्या बोलेंगे ग्रुप को हम क्या बोलेंगे सेट वेल डिफाइंड वर्ड इट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड व्हेन वी आर डिफाइनिंग अ सेट why because the word well defined means it is possible to decide or tell whether the object belongs to collection or not उसके बारे में प्रॉपर डिस्क्रिप्शन होनी चाहिए कोई भी चीज़ का ग्रुप है कलेक्शन है उसके बारे में प्रॉपर डिस्क्रिप्शन दी होनी चाहिए सो दैट वी मे डिसाइड वेदर द दैट थिंग और ऑब्जेक्ट बिलोंग टू द कलेक्शन और नॉट ठीक है अगर उसके बारे में प्रॉपर इंफॉर्मेशन डिस्क्रिप्शन है देन वी कैन से दैट इज अ सेट अदरवाइज it is not a set it is not a set because that will not be well defined so now let's see here some of the examples for example a group of tall students is not a set if I say a group of tall students this is a collection but it is not a set because the given group is not well defined as it is not possible to tell which student is taller in height and which are shorter okay next is a collection of tasty fruit is not a set because a fruit may be tasty for one person and it may not be tasty for others because all have different choices next is a collection of first three letters of English alphabet and this is well defined because for every person or for every person a collection of first three letters of English alphabet will remain same that is ABC so this is well defined collection so it can be called as a set now come to the exercise 3.1 state whether the following sets are not well defined or not if not give reasons so you have to see you have to observe carefully whether these are the sets or not all good students of a school so it is a collection of a good students it is a set or not so first I will write the answer it is not a set as the collection is not well defined why because some students may be good in the eyes of other in the eyes of some teachers and some may be good in the eyes of some may be bad students or not the regular students in the eyes of some teachers that depend upon the behavior of different behavior of the students so this is not the well defined set so it is not the set next is all prime numbers less than 9 and prime numbers what are the prime numbers which are divisible by the 1 and the number itself so what are the collection it is a well defined collection because it has limited members or defined members like 2 3 5 and 7 these are the prime numbers which are less than 9 and it is well defined set we can say it is well defined next is third good leaders of a country so everyone has different opinion so it is impossible to say which are good leaders and which are not good leaders so this is not a proper set it is not well defined next is a collection of all odd integers so collection of all odd integers will be a well defined set because I can write it in the form this is the set notation and we can write this set as 1 3 5 7 9 and blank 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 all are the odd integers will come in this set next is a collection of fifth is a collection of all month of a year beginning with letter M. Now which are the months which begin with letter M? That is only 2 months are there and we can write it in the form of set. It is a set as it is well defined. Members of this set are May and March. Next is the set of rivers in India. It is a set as it is a well defined member because set of rivers are limited. We can define this set. You can write the names of some river and blank or you can say define it like x is a member which kind of x is a river of India. So all the rivers of India will come in this set. Next is the collection of all president of independent India. So all president, also it is the well defined set. There are written two presidents, and after that blank it will continue. You need not to write all the presidents, but you have to tell whether it is a well defined set or not. Next is all intelligent boys of class 6. Again it is impossible to say which are intelligent, which are not. Intelligence we cannot measure on one aspect. Some may be intelligent in the eyes of some other teachers, and some may be not so intelligent in the eyes of others. So it is not a well defined set. Next is a set of all numbers less than 20 which are divisible by 2. So we can write the number definitely which are less than 20 but divisible by 2. All the multiples of 2 will come in this set: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Because we need to write less than 20, so 18 will be the last member. Collection of all days, all 7 days of a week. It is a well defined set because we can write it in a set form: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So this was the exercise. Now some two sums are more left. Collection of all colors in the rainbow, and we all know Vibgyor. We use Vibgyor for the colors of the rainbow. V for violet, I for indigo blue, B for blue, and G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, and R for red. It is a set as it is well defined, and we have written the all the members of set are violet, indigo blue, green, yellow, orange, red. The set of all consonants. So what are the consonants in English alphabet? The letters which are not vowel, those are called consonants. I think all of you know all of you are aware of the vowels also. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Leave these vowels and you will write all the full ABCD except vowels. So this was the exercise 3.1. If any confusion, then you can ask on the call. Thanks to all of you.